Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Najwa Putri Songika with student ID number 2461211X7. In here, I will present to you about my research entitled Representation of Cultural Values in the Film Epic 2013 Klakon and Starbuck Perspective. This research explores how cultural values are represented in the film Epic 2013 using Klakon and Starbuck's theories. This research used descriptive qualitative and film Epic 2013 for the object. The data I collected by several dialogues and scenes that I thought it contains two cultural values, and then I analyzed by using document analysis technique. And from this research, I expected to find a deeper understanding and representation of cultural values, namely human orientation toward nature, the importance of cooperation in social relationship orientation, and forms of cooperation and responsibility and activity orientation. In addition, this research shows that film is structured and conveyed through animated narrative as a medium for cultural and environment education. And the theory of Clarkson and Starbuck, I'm only focused on three key points. Number one, the relationship between human and nature, society orientation, and activity orientation. And for your information, the keywords that are used in abstract are cultural values, representation, Clarkson and Starbuck, and epic. So, for the next chapter is introduction. In the first paragraph, I explain why this research is important and why I choose this research. So, according to Irshandi Ahmad Naufal, film serves as a medium communication that plays an important role in conveying values, message, and culture to society. So, beside the benefit of film to be entertained, film also learning tools that illustrate a society perspective life, human beings, or nature. This is stated by Nehemia Anugrah Parasian that film is both reflection and a tool for shaping culture. It's not only exciting cultural values but also plays a role influencing how these values are viewed, understood, presented, or changed by society. So, film itu tidak hanya sebagai bahan hiburan, tetapi bisa juga sebagai bahan atau sebagai objek kita bisa menyampaikan beberapa makna sosial ataupun pesan-pesan moral gitu. And selanjutnya for the representation, according to Hall, representation itu how meaning is formed and conveyed through visual, language, and symbols. And therefore, studying film also means studying how cultural values are represented and understood by the audience. And for the second paragraph, I explain apa sih itu film epic yang rilis pada tahun 2013 ini, dan bagaimana backstory atau singkatan cerita yang membuat saya tuh tertarik untuk menjadikan Epic 2013 ini sebagai objek penelitian saya. So, Epic 2013 is a fantasy animated film directed by Chris Weitz and written by William Joyce, Jamin V. Hart, Daniel Sher, Tom G, Estelle, and Matt Amber. And this film is an adaptation of William Joyce children's books, The Leaf Man and the Brave Good books, and was released on May 2013 by Century Fox and Blue Sky Studios. So, through this story, Epic showcase cultural values closely related to the balance of nature, human responsibility toward the environment, and the importance of cooperating between humans to achieve common goals. And so, for the third paragraph, I explain the theory that I use, yakni Clarkson and Starbuck. So, according to Hills, this theory explains that every society has a perspective on 5 key dimension of cultural values. Yang pertama, yakni the nature of human beings atau hakikat sebagai manusia. Yang kedua, human relationship with a nature, yakni hubungan antara manusia dan alam. Yang ketiga, society orientation. Yang keempat, time orientation. Dan yang terakhir yakni activity orientation atau orientasi tindakan. Nah, on my research penelitian saya ini hanya menggunakan 3 poin, yakni human relationship with nature, society orientation, and activity orientation. And because they are most prominent and relevant to the cultural representation displayed in the film Epic 2013. Because in this film itu tuh berisi bagaimana hubungan antara manusia dengan alam dan di hubungan manusia dengan alam ini tuh menunjukkan bagaimana balancing ekosistem. Jadi hubungan antara manusia dan alam itu tuh bisa menyeimbangkan ekosistem. Yang kedua, society orientation itu bagaimana human relationship are displayed through the cooperation and mutual trust between the main character and the forest creators. Jadi bagaimana antara tokoh pemain karakter pemain itu tuh saling bergabung atau saling berkoneksi, saling berhubungan dengan alam. Dan society orientation itu bagaimana para tokoh itu memperjuangkan dan membela diri untuk memperjuangkan to protect life in the forest, untuk melindungi kehidupan yang ada di hutan. So, this is making the film a suitable object for analyze through cultural values orientation based on Clarkson and Starbuck, 1961. So, in the last paragraph, I explain the profiles of the research into how media, particularly animated film, can indirectly represent cultural values to audience. Dari 3 analisis representasi nilai budaya tadi, penelitian ini tuh menunjukkan bahwa bagaimana moral dan pesan-pesan budaya ini tuh disampaikan dalam sesuatu yang simple but in meaningful way, disampaikan dari animasi film yang menarik dan bisa diterima di masyarakat, bahkan kepada anak-anak juga. And in addition, this study is expected to enhance readers and learners understanding of the application of cultural theories in the analysis of modern animated film. Jadi supaya orang-orang di sekitar itu tuh tahu bagaimana film itu juga bisa menjadi representasi budaya, dan saya menggunakan Clarkson and Starbuck ini sebagai teorinya. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.